Let's talk mobile here at Mass Mobile Apps. Mobile is in our DNA. We have a platform for building apps for a wide variety of industries. We will craft a custom look and feel for your company or organization's app with our patent-pending design technology. We provide complete software solutions that are natively built into your app, like food ordering, e-commerce, booking and scheduling, and all the tools you will need to run your business more efficiently and increase your bottom line. Let's say you are a hot new restaurant in town. Using our platform, we can tailor your app for your specific needs. Upload your menu and start taking orders right through the app. A menu that can also be embedded on your website to give you online ordering. Drive positive reviews with our smart ratings and review feature that will improve your organic Google rankings and bring in more business. Even have your customers make reservations, all right through the app. Maybe you are a trendy boutique looking to increase customer engagement, build brand ambassadors, and increase sales. How do you do that? Use one of our 8 loyalty rewards programs and reward your customers for shopping. Add a complete e-commerce module that will let you build an online store in record time and sell your products directly through your app and your website. Integrate your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media accounts inside the app. Send push notifications or instant messages to all or parts of your customer list for free. And by the way, push notifications have open rates over 80%. Say you want to create your own multi-app app, or what we call a container app. Our system will let you build an app with other fully functioning apps inside. Perfect for a franchise, and perfect to build an app that you can take across the country or across the globe with hundreds and even thousands of apps inside. You won't find that anywhere else. We also offer a full suite of marketing materials to use to launch your app. Of course, we provide you access to analytics like user downloads, transaction history, and even a complete CRM tool that will let you learn more about your users. Launch your app and your business with Mass Mobile Apps.